This is a walk-around and operation video of a 2009 Bobcat S70 skid steer. It's similar to Caterpillar, Kubota, John Deere, and more. It's 23,500 Canadian dollars plus tax. This machine has an enclosed cab with heat, a 25-pound operating weight, and a 22 horsepower diesel engine with 770 hours. The skid steer has auxiliary hydraulics. The tires are brand new. There is normal wear and tear. This machine fires right up and operates as it should. There is no smoke or apparent leaks. It's a super compact unit for tight places, but enough power to get any job done. The unit is located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. We can ship anywhere inexpensively. Please contact us for more information. www.edgeequipmentsales.com